Okay, here are a few little instructions on how to take your quiz. I just want to make sure everyone knows how to upload their work into its learning. A few folks had issues last week, so let's clear those up. So you're going to click your pathway. You're going to read everything very carefully so you don't miss any step. So you're going to first, just like always, complete your quiz on paper. You can print out the quiz or you can just do your work on notebook paper. I did my work on notebook paper. Just keep your work nice and neat and organized. Then you're going to complete the quiz online. The questions are randomized and there is going to be a time limit. The last thing you're going to do is upload your work. So make sure again that your work is neat and you show it all on paper. Here's the paper copy of the quiz. I would simply download it and open up in a new window so you can view this bigger, or you can print it, like I said, if you want to. Once you have completed all your work on your paper, showing all of your work and not using any online tools or anybody else's work, then you're going to start your test and you're going to answer your questions. I'm just going to go through here and click randomly on the questions. So let me explain something. This number right here, question 1 at the top, that is your online question number. But this right here, it will tell you your paper copy question. This practice part that I'm going through has not been randomized, but just always read right here so you know what question to look at on your paper. So again, I'm just going to run through this so it will let me go to my next step, which is what I really want to get to. So the way that I am going to upload my work is I took a picture with my phone and I uploaded it and sent it to my email, which I will go to in just a minute and show you. And then I'm going to save it on my computer. You could easily upload your work and send your picture to your Google Drive and then access your Google Drive when you're uploading to me. If you do it that way through Google Drive, please make sure that you have turned on permissions that anyone with a link can view the image. And secondly, do not share your work from Google Drive to my Google Drive. That is not where I will see your work. So hopefully by now we're kind of getting used to how we're going to turn in assignments. And I would keep a good pace and not get behind, but I'm not going to post grades until about 5 days later or so. I'll give you time to get everything caught up. Okay, so I'm going to complete my test. I'm okay. I'm not going to make a good grade. I was not paying attention. So I'm going to continue. So we've done the paper copy, we've done the online portion, and now we're going to upload. So before I do this, before I click answer assignment, I'm going to go to my email. I'm going to open up my image. For me, I'm going to go to these 3 dots. It depends on what your phone uses to send you what type of file. And I'm going to save as. I've already made this one time, so I'm just going to resave it. And I just called it Quiz 6E Work. You could put your name there if you wanted to, however you want to name it to keep it organized, just so you know where it is. Now I'm going to click on Answer Assignment. There's no need to write anything in the text box. When you do the drop-down box, you can either go to Google Drive and locate your file, or you can just click Files and it will go to your computer. So it's going to open up. I'm going to find the folder, and there's my image. If I had another image, I'd just go back and keep adding. Most everybody did a fabulous job uploading all the work from last week. But again, if you ever have any issues with the new way we're doing this, please let me know. You know I'd love to help you. And then there's the work. Now, what I would like to share with you is what this looks like from my point of view. And this is why we all need to load everything in one place, because since I have like over 90 folks in this algebra course, this makes my job a lot easier. So when I go to the assignment portion, this is what I see. So here was the assignment, and then here below here I see all of your names, and I can see that I've not looked at it or corrected it or given you a grade. And so here's the images. They show up. I put satisfactory, I'll put a grade of 100 and I'll save it. And then, like I said, when everybody or most everybody has submitted after, 4 or 5 days, I just simply upload it to It's Learning. So again, please let me know if you have any questions on the content we're learning or any logistic questions.